Yeah, you're going to end up like Tom Hanks in that movie where he's just stuck in the airport. Sean, I think you're in some kind of hostage situation in an airport. You're in Atlanta airport. I mean, to bring people behind the wall here, we've had a struggle trying to start this recording because there's been sirens going off in the background. Now, I'm assuming that you haven't caused them. If that's the case, then we're fine to proceed here. But where are you going? Well, what's up next for you?
I'm in Atlanta airport here, heading to Boston. And Dan, I feel like we're in very different situations here. If you can see that warning light, um, which actually, as we record, has just gone off. So about 10 minutes ago, there was a emergency announcement here in the airport. Everyone's kind of chilled and no one's really too worried about it. And I think Dan, you're having a bit of grub beside the beach, so kind of, I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you.
Yeah. I just feel like
But I'm
yeah, you're gonna end up like Tom Hanks in that movie where he's just stuck in the airport, and that's gonna be the rest of it.
so
And
this was
the question everyone is asking is there a barbecue in the airport? Because every time I see you, you're eating barbecue, as far as I'm concerned. So do you have one in Atlanta?
I haven't seen one so far, but Dan, you got to give the people what they want. It seems to be going viral.
Yeah.
But not here. But I'm in Atlanta, yeah, heading to Boston. Should have been in Boston about 12 hours ago, but an hour after the Argentina match, I got an email saying my flight was cancelled. So it was a bit of a rush to rebook to make it to Boston in time for the quarter final, France Morocco. So yeah, I will get to Boston eventually. Hostage situation or no hostage situation.